Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And so I got an unboxing for you guys today. We're going to be unboxing the Chromecast with Google TV. Recently picked this bad boy up here for about 50 bucks. So with tax, it came out to about $54. So anyways, let me go ahead and get this sucker open, and we're going to show what the contents are in here. The absolute reason why I got this is because it is Google Stadia ready, and that's one of the biggest things that I wanted to be able to do, was to be able to play some Stadia games with my kids, co-op player games and stuff like that. But at the same time too, it literally also has access to things like HBO Max, Netflix, the subscriptions that I have. Don't mind me, I'm getting messages. Geez, they're all going off. But anyways, so let's get this box open here. We'll pop it open. I'll show you guys what's inside. So we lift the box, and right here, neatly packaged in separate individual boxes, is of course the Chromecast dongle that plugs into the back of my TV with the HDMI cable. So let me pull it out here. I like the way Google packages their products, so I have to give them up to that. And it's inside this recyclable cornstarch bag, I guess. But here it is, and it's a lot bigger than the other Chromecast that I've had. So that's a big whopping dongle there. In this box, I believe, is the remote. So we open it up, and yes, in fact, it is. This is the remote that controls it. So one thing I did notice about the Chromecast with Google TV, the latest Chromecast released by Google, is that it reminds me of the Nexus player, and this remote just kind of looks like it. I mean, it's got all the functionality buttons, assistant button, and whatnot, and a microphone. So pretty much like what the Nexus player had, where you can use Google Assistant and control it. What else we get in the box is your Google literature. So quick start guides and things of that nature. And we got the charging cable. It is USB-A to USB Type-C, so that's unusual, I guess, for a Google product, but hey, it is what it is. And then we have the charging brick. I will tell you guys this right now, from what I've seen in reviews, you need the charging brick. You cannot rely on the USB port on a smart TV to power it. It needs to use the charger brick. So just a kind of heads up for everybody. Let me close these boxes back up and stick them back in the box, as I like to keep all these things here just in case I need to repackage the product. Then we'll be good to go on that. Anyways, looking forward to gaming on Stadia with this. That's going to be quite fun, I must say. But yeah, this is just a quick unboxing of the Chromecast with Google TV. I'm going to set it up, test it out, and then I will do like a quick overview of it a little bit later on. So if you guys enjoyed what I have to say in this video, the unboxing and everything, smash the like button. If you have not subscribed, do so. Click that subscribe button. It really helps me out. And that's it. As always, Aloha.